Top 5 Best Bread Diabetics Must Eat. Lower blood sugar. Top 5 Best Types of Bread that Diabetics Must Eat. In particular, the last type on the list is the type of bread that is most easily found everywhere in the world. Bread is a very familiar food. After hundreds of years of development, it is still popular in many different culinary cultures. Not only delicious, nutritious but also extremely useful in preventing dangerous diseases for humans, diabetes is an example. That's right, bread in general and some types of bread in particular are especially effective in controlling blood sugar. But strangely enough, until now many people still do not realize its benefits. Using bread properly will be extremely beneficial, shortening treatment time and maintaining good blood sugar levels for health. In today's video, I will tell you the top 5 types of bread you must know if you want to prevent diabetes. Not stopping there, preserving and using bread must also be done properly to bring the best results. Don't miss it, because each piece of information is important for the difficult journey of controlling blood sugar. Can diabetics eat bread? First, it can be affirmed that diabetics can absolutely eat bread. However, this does not mean that diabetics can eat all types of bread, but should choose the right type of bread so as not to increase the body's blood sugar. The type of bread that diabetics need to avoid is white bread, which often contains a lot of carbohydrates and a high glycemic index. In addition, some studies suggest that white bread increases the risk of insulin resistance. Below are 5 types of bread that are low in starch, high in fiber, do not cause increased blood sugar and support digestion for diabetics. Number 1, whole grain bread. Don't be fooled by its dry name. This is a true testament to the saying, simple but effective. Whole grain bread is not only a delicious food, but also a powerful companion for those who are looking for an effective way to control blood sugar. Made from 100% whole grains, this bread is rich in fiber, B vitamins, iron, magnesium and many other important minerals. But what makes it so special in supporting diabetes? First, the fiber content in whole grain bread is a shield that protects the body from sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. Fiber acts as a natural filter, slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates into the blood. According to a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a high-fiber diet can reduce average blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetics by up to 10%. This is a remarkable number, right? Not only that, whole grain bread also has the ability to control satiety, helping you avoid uncontrolled cravings, one of the causes of blood sugar dancing. By maintaining a feeling of fullness for a long time, you can more easily adhere to a scientific diet, thereby reducing the risk of consuming foods high in sugar or bad starch. Another plus is that this type of bread is rich in nutrients necessary for overall health. B vitamins in whole grain bread not only support energy metabolism but also help improve mood and reduce stress, important factors in keeping blood sugar stable. Magnesium, a mineral found in whole grains, also contributes to improving insulin sensitivity, helping the body use sugar more effectively. It's important to read the ingredients when buying bread and look for varieties that say whole grain or 100% whole wheat. Don't be fooled by phrases like multigrain or wheat bread. They don't guarantee that the bread is made from 100% whole grain. Number 2, black bread. One of the most famous health breads on earth. When it comes to breads that are good for diabetics, black bread is always a strong candidate. Made from rye, this type of bread not only has a rich, attractive flavor but also contains outstanding benefits in controlling blood sugar. Unlike white bread, which is rich in starch and easily causes blood sugar to spike, black bread stands out with its abundant fiber content and much less starch. Did you know that this type of bread originated in Germany, a country that used to have a fairly high rate of diabetes, but is now under control, partly thanks to this type of bread? A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that the amount of calories in black bread is up to 20% lower than white bread, helping to control calorie intake without affecting the feeling of fullness. In particular, the soluble fiber in black bread not only slows down digestion but also limits the sudden increase in blood sugar after meals, a constant concern for people with diabetes. In addition, black bread also contains valuable natural compounds such as ferulic acid and caffeic acid. These active ingredients act as a biological shield, slowing down the breakdown of sugar and improving blood sugar control. This means that the body has time to process sugar slowly, avoiding sugar shock right after meals. There are countless wonderful uses for black bread, which are already familiar in healthy menus. If you don't want to fall behind in the race against blood sugar, you definitely shouldn't ignore this type of bread. Not only does it help control blood sugar, black bread also brings many other health benefits. The high soluble fiber content supports digestive function, reducing constipation, which is common in people with diabetes. At the same time, regular consumption of black bread also helps reduce bad cholesterol in the blood, protecting cardiovascular health, an important factor because diabetics are often at higher risk of cardiovascular disease than normal people. In particular, black bread does not contain gluten, so it is an ideal choice for people with diabetes who are gluten intolerant. However, like all foods, the use of black bread also needs to be considered in terms of dosage. You should only eat about 80-100 g per day, equivalent to 3 to 4 slices of bread. The ideal time to add this type of bread to the menu is for breakfast or snacks during the day. Black bread is very good if you use it scientifically and in a controlled way. Diabetes will get bored of you soon. Number 3, flaxseed and chia seed bread. Even if you are not a fan of bread, it is enough to knock out the taste buds of even the most demanding diners. No joke, this type of bread is really delicious. If you have ever wondered if diabetics can eat bread, then flaxseed and chia seed bread is the perfect answer. Fragrant slices of bread, with a layer of tiny seeds sprinkled evenly on top, are not only attractive but also contain countless health benefits, especially for people who need to control blood sugar. Imagine, you start your morning with a slice of flaxseed or chia seed bread, accompanied by a cup of herbal tea. In just a few minutes, your hunger disappears, replaced by a feeling of fullness and energy. This is the miracle of fiber in these two types of seeds. Flaxseed and chia seeds are considered silent warriors, helping to reduce uncontrolled cravings, the leading cause of blood sugar fluctuations. Not only that, flax seeds and chia seeds also have a special ability to support digestion. People with diabetes often have digestive problems will feel a positive change when adding this bread to the menu. In particular, the light flavor, slightly fatty smell of these seeds makes bread the perfect choice for meals that are not boring. But the most outstanding point is their effect on blood sugar. Flax seeds and chia seeds are like companions, helping your body respond better to insulin, the key to controlling diabetes. With a layer of armor of healthy compounds, they not only control blood sugar but also reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications, helping you enjoy life with peace of mind. If you are hesitant, try adding 80-100 g of flax seed bread, chia seeds to breakfast or snacks during the day. Paired with a little natural peanut butter or fresh avocado, you'll have a delicious, nutritious meal without having to worry about blood sugar. I'm just afraid you'll get addicted to this dish, but the deliciousness is really beyond question. Number 4, almond bread, the bread that brings happiness. True to its name, this type of bread has a strange gene. Have you ever thought of enjoying bread without worrying about starch? Look no further, almond bread is the perfect choice for you. Made from almond flour, this type of bread brings a unique and nutritious experience without increasing blood sugar, something that diabetics always worry about. A slice of soft bread, with a hint of almond aroma, combined with a layer of sugar-free jam or a little bit of light nut butter. The flavor is both elegant and full, enough to awaken the taste buds while still ensuring health. Unlike traditional bread, almond bread does not contain starch. This means you can enjoy it without worrying about blood sugar spiking after each meal. In addition to the advantage of no starch, almond bread is also a great source of protein and healthy fats. These substances not only provide lasting energy but also help your body maintain a state of fullness for longer. This is especially useful for those who want to control sudden hunger, the silent enemy of stable blood sugar. Another plus point is that almond bread is not only the perfect choice for diabetics but also suitable for those who are following a keto diet or want to lose weight. With extremely low carbohydrates, this type of bread helps you cut down on starch easily without feeling restricted in eating. Combine almond bread with breakfast or snacks during the day. A few slices of bread with fried eggs and some fresh green vegetables are enough to create a full energy meal without causing a feeling of heaviness. To make the journey of controlling blood sugar easier and more enjoyable, almond bread is definitely a name worthy of being added to your menu. Number 5, coconut flour bread, naturally sweet. Have you tried it? If you think that diabetics have to give up bread, then coconut flour bread will change your mind. Not only is it a low-carb choice, this bread also has a natural sweetness, making every bite a gentle gift for your health. Imagine a light morning with a slice of soft coconut flour bread, with a characteristic fatty aroma of coconut. This type of bread does not need added sugar but still retains the delicate, natural taste of the ingredients that make it. This is the highlight that makes coconut flour bread a close friend of those who are fighting high blood sugar. Coconut flour not only helps reduce carbohydrates but also provides a rich source of fiber. This means that with just one slice of coconut flour bread, you have enough energy for the morning, while helping the body digest more slowly and keeping blood sugar stable all day long. No more blood sugar dancing or feeling hungry between meals. Coconut flour bread is also very flexible when combined. Spread a layer of almond butter on the bread, and you will have a dish that is both fatty, sweet, and nutritious. If you want to change the taste, a little smooth cheese is also a good choice. This way, every breakfast or snack can become an enjoyable time for you to enjoy the flavor, instead of just worrying about your health. In addition, coconut flour bread is also very friendly to those who are on a diet or pursuing a healthy lifestyle. By replacing traditional bread, you not only reduce the burden of carbohydrates but also supplement the necessary nutrients from coconut. Isn't it great when you can heal, balance blood sugar while also being close to nature? Coconut flour bread may not be too familiar, but once you try it, it will make your heart and taste buds go crazy. Blood sugar will also have to give up before this type of bread. Whether it's a busy breakfast or a midday break, coconut bread is always the ideal choice to keep you full of energy while still controlling your blood sugar. Above are 5 types of bread that I'm sure diabetics don't like but health loves. Each type of bread has a different use and deliciousness. Depending on your eating taste, you can mix and match as well as combine it in your daily meals. I know, the road to preventing diabetes is not short, but with bread, it will help you speed up to the finish line faster. Hopefully, you always keep an optimistic spirit, as well as healthy habits to improve your blood sugar health day by day. Don't forget to have bread and I will always accompany you.